Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Love Lashy here with another video. Now I just want to tell you if I'm a little stopped up, it's because of my allergies. Allergy season is out, it's ready, it's busting, it's booming, and it slapped me in the face. Okay, like my allergies have been really acting up. But enough about that. Let's just talk about what we're going to be doing in today's video. So basically, I got some new glasses. I'm not sure if anyone remembers my old glasses. Let me get them for you. Okay, so these were my old glasses. As you can see, they're very crusty. I have them since 2012. I just never thought, like, you know, I actually did think, but it's like, okay, I can always just get glasses, not a big deal. Like, I can see out of these, that's fine. Like, I don't need 10,000 pair of glasses. So I finally got some glasses after it was highly requested by friends and family, so you're welcome. I paid $16 for these glasses. And a lot of people are like, $16? Yes, girl, $16, okay? And this video is not sponsored at all, but I got it from this company called Zenni. This is the case that my glasses came in. I just got them today, actually, and it's zennioptical.com. They have a wide variety of glasses that you can choose from. As you can see, my glasses look really nice. I paid $16 for them. They have prescription in them. I can't use glasses that don't have prescription because the way my eyesight is, it's terrible, to be honest. It really is. So I can't even play around with glasses. So I got these glasses and I'm very satisfied with them. They're very clear. You know, I can see perfectly. It's like, you know, my old glasses, but 10 times better. Everything is bright and clear, everything. So basically, I know there are a lot of people that wear glasses, and some people don't want to wear makeup because they feel like, oh, I need contacts or something like that. And I just feel like, you know, you can wear makeup with your glasses. So that's basically what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you, you know, how to do a makeup look. This is a makeup look that you can wear to work, go to, you know, get brunch or something like that. You know, just a makeup that you can wear with your glasses that you won't feel over the top and, you know, uncomfortable in. Now, I don't want to do anything, you know, too out of sight because I typically don't wear my glasses when I do makeup, dramatic makeup. So I'm just going to show you how to do a soft glam, not too much going on. Before we move any further, I'm going to need you guys to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you already subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell below and make sure you leave some pretty comments down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm not going to put in my contacts to do this video, so I'm going to be doing my makeup without eyesight. I'm kidding. I can see a little bit, but it's not the best. So let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Remove these specks. Eek. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I am going to use my Urban Decay primer. I know it's like all dirty. It's okay though. Let that get a little sticky on my face. Do you guys like my nails? I just got my nails done, and I also, oh yeah, I haven't been here in a while, I know, I'm sorry. But I got a tattoo, hold on. I have a tattoo now. It's in the process of peeling, but if you're in the Charlotte area, go ahead and hit up Rail Overload. I'm gonna leave all this information down below in the description box so you can know where to go to if you're in the Charlotte area. He does so good. The tattoo did not take long. As you can see, it's a really nice tattoo. I didn't have any issues with my tattoo. You know, I did the proper steps that they told me to do to make sure my tattoo, you know, heals properly. So if you don't follow those steps, then that's your personal issue. But if you follow the steps he tell you, you know, to follow, then you're good. Okay, you squared away with a nice tattoo and you cute. All right, so the face is primed. So let's go ahead and get into foundation. I'm not sure what foundation I want to use. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use my NYX Cosmetics foundation. I am in the shade Nutmeg. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is that the stopper gets stopped up all the time. But, you know, that's life. All right, let's go ahead and blend that out with this brush. I got this brush from Groupon. Now make sure you bring that foundation down to the neck. Okay, because we can't be out here looking like we're wearing masks. Especially not, you know, summertime is coming. I know I skipped spring. Okay, I really am not a springtime person. Like, I do not go outside in the springtime. Springtime is just not my jam. Like, I love the fact that it's like, you know, weather is warm outside. It's not too hot, you know. It's a nice happy medium, but I cannot do bugs. Like, inchworms are a thing here in North Carolina, and I'm just not here for it. I'm just not here for it. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight. I think I'm just gonna take Bamboo from the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. Just go ahead and warm that up on my hand. And I think I'm just going to take the same brush and go ahead and blend that out. The matchsticks, they're like a cream powder formula. And the thing I really like about the matchsticks is that you don't have to set it right away. Like, you can, you know, work on other parts of your face. And you see how this is like giving me like a nice glow, but it's still natural, even though bamboo is like a little bit too, like, supposed to be too light for me, but I still, like, I can blend it out to, you know, make it blend within my skin well. And I think it looks really well. So I'm going to take Truffle and just, you know, bronze / contour a little bit. Because, you know, we're just going to work or school. We're not going to go too fancy. I mean, if you want to do all of that for work and school, then be my guest. But that ain't me, sis. I don't know if that'll ever be me. I used to try to do that. Went out of style real quick. And I'm just gonna buff that out as well. This is an e.l.f. Cosmetics brush, buffing brush. I got this from, I believe, Walmart. It was probably like $3 or $4. And I'm just gonna buff that out into my skin. So this looks really good, I think. So I think it looks really good. Now, what else am I gonna do? I'm trying to figure out if I need to set my under eye. I think I'm gonna go ahead and set it just in case, because I mean, it's not creasing or anything, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and set it. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty in Kunafa. And I don't want that to set for too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust that off just a little bit. I'm so excited because Fenty Beauty got some new bronzers, but as we're waiting, because I'm going to go to my holy grail for the Black Radiance, I am super excited about this new bronzer. Like, I was just saying, like, someone point me to a new bronzer because I love my Black Radiance. I mean, I just, you know, like to try new stuff, you know. I don't want to use the same thing all the time, but hey, if I can't find a new bronzer, then oh well, I'm satisfied with Black Radiance, you know. You know, you just have those favorites. You be like, well, if it ain't broke, don't fix. And that's just how I feel. Like, Black Radiance has been, you know, doing this due diligence. I have no complaints. Okay, so I do have a video coming soon with how to do my 5-minute brow hack. So that's going to be coming to you soon. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I will be right back. Fade away. I have my brows done. So like I said before, I am putting up a video on how I do my brows finally. I already asked the congregation if they want to see the 5-minute brow process first. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, film that video first, and then I'm going to do, you know, just how I do my brows on the regular. So stay tuned for those 2 videos. Let's go ahead and get into the eye makeup. I'm going to do something real subtle, just like I said, work, school, you know, maybe church. I want to go a little extra, I don't know. So I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. And I love this palette. It has so many, you know, I feel like the sky's the limit with this palette, to be honest. Like, I'm really not trying to over exaggerate it. But you have so many different cool tones of like transition shades, and you know, the pop of colors over here. I feel like you can do a lot with this, you know, this palette. It's a natural palette, and also you can glam it up a little bit too as well. So, and I also got this palette for $6.99 at TJ Maxx. So do not sleep on TJ Maxx, okay? All right, so I'm taking, you know, just a regular transition shade brush, and I'm going to dip into, I think I'm going to dip into Majesty. It's like a cool tone brown, but it has some warm undertones as well. Let's go ahead and place that in a crease, window wiping motions. As you can see, this is very pigmented, and I'm not really dipping into the palette like that. I'm just tap, tap, and go. So, yeah. Okay, so I have the transition shade in place, and I'm not doing anything else. I'm using like 2 shadows. All right, and for my lid, I'm going to take the shade Imperial. It's like a, you know, a toned down gold with like green undertones, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. Oh my god, did y'all not see that? I don't have any type of primer on my lid or anything, and this shimmer shadow is so pigmented, like it's too popping. Wow. This is just one of your simple makeup looks, like not too much going on. See, these 2 shadows look fine. Like, I'm not doing the most. I do want to add a little bit of liner, and not like I'm winging it out or anything, but you can wing it out if you want to. But I just want to do a little bit of liner just to give my eyes some type of definition, you know. So I'm going to take this gel liner by Tarte. It's black and clay pot. I'm just going to take this angled brush. I believe this is an e.l.f. brush. I'm just going to, I want to put it like underneath here, like underneath my lashes. To make my lashes look fuller as well. You see how that makes a difference? I got a little bit in my lashes, but to be quite honest, it's fine. All right, so I'm gonna do my mascara. See, for mascara, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer as always, and I'm gonna take my NARS Climax Mascara. I didn't like this mascara at first, but now I'm like, I love it. I love it. I'm just gonna do that really quickly. All right, so I have my mascara finished, and as you can, oh my god, I love this mascara. So I'm mad I did not set my face before I did my mascara. Like, I totally forgot. So I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, because I forgot to do this step as well. I'm just all over the place. I'm just take this powder brush and just, I'm gonna set my whole face. I still need to look flawless with glasses. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Pink Passion, and I'm just going to swipe and just put a little blush on my cheeks. Cute, cute, cute. I'm going to set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Love this stuff. I'm going to be taking my Master Chrome highlight in, oh my god, I know, it's in shambles, but in, ooh, Molten Topaz. This, I have to buy another one. I have to find another one. I got this on clearance, so I don't know if they're even still selling this, but I have to buy another one. Cause like, look at this highlight. This is like my go-to highlight. I'm not sure why this would be on clearance. And I wasn't mad that it was on clearance because I got it for $2.99. But other than that, just add a little bit under the brow. Up here, up there, up everywhere. So let's go ahead and just get into the lips. Okay, because we did the eyes, we did the face, bada boom, bada bang. Let's get to the lips. Okay, so I don't feel like looking for my lip liner. So what I'm gonna do, I found this trick from Alyssa Ashley actually, because she was just raving about truffle matchstick. So I'm just gonna use this as a lip liner. So I'm gonna use truffle as a lip liner. Let's go ahead and act like I don't know what to say. I'm going to be taking my Buxom lip cream. I just recently purchased these at Ulta. I got the, what's this? Wild Orchid, and I got Pink Champagne. What is it? Yeah, Pink Champagne. So I picked up these two. They're really cute, but I'm going to use Wild Orchid. My tattoo is an orchid. I don't think I did the whole truffle thing right. So what I'm going to do is just take that off. I'm going to just go get my lip liner. I'll be right back. I have to mention, her lips are a little bit bigger than mine. So everything is going to work out for me. So I'm just going to take my Ruby Kisses lip liner, 99 cents at the beauty supply store. Blot. Now we're going to take Wild Orchid and put it on our lips. I think I want to add a little bit of the Pink Champagne. Just a little bit. This is cute. I love this lip combination. Let me fix up my edges a little bit. Let me fix up my edges, because they ain't cute. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm really obsessed with how it came out. I mean, this lip combination that I have on is too cute. You can still see me, like, you can still see, you know, my little eye makeup. That's why I don't want to do the most when I wear glasses. But I love how my makeup turned out. It's very cute. It's very, you know, nice and subtle. And I still look popping, even with my glasses. Check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Basically, I know probably people were like, how is she doing her makeup and she can't see? I didn't have contacts all the time. So when I want to do my makeup and get cute, I had no choice but to sit there and be in the mirror, do my makeup without my glasses on, and put my glasses on. Like, I had no choice. So I had to learn. Until you make that decision for you to get contacts or laser eye surgery or whatever, you're gonna have to learn how to do your makeup without glasses, unless you're just gonna be trying to inch all in there, which I think is a hot mess, to be honest, but whatever. So if you really like how I achieved this look, and if you want to try, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like, give this video a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. They will be down in the description box below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell to make sure you're notified of all my other uploads. Make sure you leave me some comments down below, because I love talking to people. I love chatting. And, you know, tell me what you want to see in my upcoming uploads. And I will see you on my next video.